Hey guys, how's it going? How to create landing pages in Hostinger. So first of all, you need to access your Hostinger, right? And then basically you need to, let me just type right here, right? Choose a website builder, okay? And basically what you're gonna do, use the website builder tool or install WordPress if you're using WordPress for your site, and then you're gonna select the template, okay? And basically after you select, browse the available landing page templates and choose one that fits your goals. Most builders offer customizable templates for various purposes, and then you need to customize the design. Use drag and drop features to add and remove elements like text, images, buttons, and forms. Adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding. And you need to add content. Input content that include headlines, descriptions, call to action buttons. Make sure that your messaging is clear and focused on conversion, and optimize and leverage for SEO. Add meta titles, descriptions, and relevant keywords. Ensure that your landing page is optimized for search engines, and then you're going to review your page, and then you're going to publish the page once you're satisfied, and then track the performance. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.